Hello and welcome. I am Paul from Medical Talent Network Recruiting. Are you planning to work as a healthcare professional in Germany? If so, obtaining a visa for the recognition of foreign professional qualifications is an important step. Let me guide you through the key points you need to know. First, this visa allows you to travel to Germany to apply for the recognition of your qualifications and complete any necessary adaptation measures, such as language courses or medical exams. It's typically issued for up to 18 months and can be extended if needed. To apply, you'll need to visit the German embassy or consulate in your home country. Required documents usually include your valid passport, an application for a national visa, proof of your professional qualifications, like your diploma, a letter from the recognition authority confirming your intent to seek recognition, proof of financial means, such as a blocked account, health insurance, proof of residence in Germany, like a rental agreement, and a Bite to Language certificate. Now, how can you improve your chances of approval? Here are some tips. Provide evidence of your German language proficiency at the Bite to level. Obtain a preliminary decision from the relevant recognition authority. This document tells the embassy you're serious about starting the recognition process. Secure an observership placement in a German hospital. Register for the medical language test. This shows your commitment and readiness for the next steps. To help you, we've created a booklet with links to the state medical chambers in Germany. These organizations can confirm your intent to seek recognition and provide essential guidance. Simply type the link displayed next to me into your browser to download it. Best of luck with your application.